Hey everyone, welcome back to English Guru. Today's video is going to be super fun and helpful, especially if you want to sound more like a native English speaker. We're diving into 10 of the most common English idioms that will boost your fluency and help you understand everyday conversations. Ready to take your English to the next level? Let's jump right in. First up, we have break the ice. This means to start a conversation in a situation where everyone might feel a bit awkward or uncomfortable. For example, he told a joke to break the ice at the meeting. It's a great way to get things going. Next is piece of cake. No, we're not talking about dessert. This idiom means something that's very easy to do. For example, the test was a piece of cake. So, next time you find something easy, you can use this idiom. Third, we have spill the beans. This means to reveal a secret or give away information. For example, don't spill the beans about the surprise party. You've probably heard this one in movies or TV shows. Number 4 is for all you students out there, hit the books. This idiom means to study hard. For example, I need to hit the books tonight if I want to pass my exam. It's a great way to say you're getting serious about your studies. Fifth is bite the bullet. This means to do something difficult or unpleasant that you've been avoiding. For example, I hate going to the dentist, but I'll have to bite the bullet and make an appointment. Sometimes you just have to get things done. Next up is under the weather, which means you're feeling sick or unwell. For example, I can't come to work today, I'm feeling a bit under the weather. A subtle way to say you're not feeling your best. Number 7 is hit the nail on the head. This means to describe exactly what's causing a problem or to say something that's exactly right. For example, you hit the nail on the head with your solution to the problem. It's all about precision. Next is costs an arm and a leg. This idiom means something is very expensive. For example, that new smartphone costs an arm and a leg. It's a humorous way to say something is way too pricey. Number 9 is burn the midnight oil, which means to work late into the night. For example, I had to burn the midnight oil to finish my project on time. It's perfect for all you hard workers out there. Last but not least, we have the ball is in your court. This means it's up to you to take action or make a decision. For example, I've given you all the information, now the ball is in your court. It's a great way to tell someone it's their turn to act. And that's it for today's video on the 10 most common English idioms. I hope you found these helpful and that you'll start using them in your conversations. Idioms are a great way to sound more natural and fluent in English, so don't be afraid to practice them. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more language tips, and leave a comment with your favorite idiom. See you next time.